Right, okay, so looking at graphs, we're actually still looking at how to find the coordinates, okay? But the reason why we need the coordinates is so that we can sketch it on the graph, okay? So when you look at y equal to 2x plus 1, this is actually a graph that you can sketch. Okay, we're going to look at lots of different graphs, hyperbolas, exponential graphs, parabolas, but this is called a straight line. When you plot them, you're going to see it makes a straight line. But for all the graphs, exponential graph, parabola, hyperbola, straight line, the same method applies. You've got input values, x is your input value, y is your output value. You put something into the graph, you get something out. Okay? So it's going to work the same way for all the graphs. So if I want to know what is my y value when I put negative 2 in, I can check. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Okay? Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So I put negative 2 in, I get negative 3 out. This is called my input value. I put negative 2 into my graph and I get negative 3 out. Okay? Now you can plot this point, negative 2, negative 3, you can plot it on the graph. You can check now, okay, now where is negative 2? Remember, with Cartesian planes, with graphs, this is always your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Always like that. So if I go to the x-axis here and I check where is negative 2, it's right there. There's negative 2. So I took negative 2, I put it into the function, the graph, and it gave me negative 3 out. So now on the y-axis, I must go down to negative 3. There's negative 3. So I put negative 2, now you do this. I put negative 2 in, you go straight down, and you got negative 3 out. You go from there straight this way. And the place where they meet, that is the coordinate. That is the coordinate negative 2, negative 3. Negative 2, negative 3, the place where they meet. Let's look at another one, then it will hopefully help. If I put negative 1 in, what's 2 times negative 1? It's negative 2. What is negative 2 plus 1? Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So what happened now? I put negative 1 in and I got negative 1 out. Okay, I got 2 dots now. Now I'm going to put in 0. What is 2 times 0? It's 0. What's 0 plus 1? It's 1. So now I put 0. Where's 0? There's negative 3, there's negative 2, there's negative 1, there's 1, 2, 3. So where's 0? It's right there. 0 is right there where they meet. 0 is always there. We call it the origin. Where the two axes meet, we call it 0. Okay? So when I put 0 in, I got 1 out. So I put 0 in, and I got 1 out. So that's going to be there. That's 0 and 1. My x value was 0, but the y value, y is equal to 2 times 0 plus 1. The y value I got out was 1. So it's there. Then I'm putting 1 in. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So when I put 1 in, I get 3 out. And when I put 2 in, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So when I put 2 in, I get 5 out. So let's first look at this one, 1 and 3. I put 1 in. When I put 1 in, what did I get out? 3. So I go up to 3. And I say it's going to be there. And then when I put 2 in, what did I get out? 5. So I go all the way up to 5. And I say, I have to go straight this way. Straight up, straight this way. That place where they meet, that's my coordinate. If you want to, you can even write down the coordinates. You can say this coordinate here is what? It's 2 and 5. Okay, because x is, you always write your x value first. Always the x value first and then the y value. So this coordinate is 2 and 5. What is this coordinate? 1 and 3. This one is 1 and 3. Okay, you can put it in like that. If they ask you to, you can put it in. They're not always going to ask you to put it in. Mostly they won't. But now you can see where they are. And then when you connect them, you're going to see, wow, look at that. It makes a straight line. When I connect them, I've got a line like this. There's my line. And what do I call this line? What's the name of that line? The name of the line is y equal to 2x plus 1. Y equal to 2x plus 1. That's the name of this line. Y equal to 2x plus 1. And that is how you draw graphs. Okay.
Yes.